What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today's a very special video to me. 4 years ago when I started my YouTube channel, I had no idea that I would even grow this far. We've now reached a milestone 10,000 subscribers, so I'm very grateful for that. I thank you to everyone that continues to come back and watch my videos, uh, commenting on my videos. It definitely means a lot to me. Just being consistent with these videos. Again, I've grown this channel and I want to continue to grow it even more and put out more better content for everyone. So drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see. And if you're not subscribed to my channel and you continue to come back and watch my videos but not subscribe, now is probably the opportunity to do so, so we could go ahead and keep up to date with videos that I'll be putting out. Like I said, I'm very grateful for everyone that continues to watch my videos, shares it with everyone. And if it's helped you along the way, your pizza journey, definitely give this video a thumbs up and let me know. Again, it does mean a lot to me. So I'm going to go ahead and just make a pizza, answer some of the most common questions that I get. It's going to be a voiceover. So again, just make sure you stick around and watch this video to the end, watch it fully, give it a like, comment down below. And again, if you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm always available on Instagram at the Pizza Guy John. Let's watch the video. 10K subscriber video. Very special video to me. Again, thank you to everyone that subscribed to my channel and continue to come back and watch my videos. Again, it means a lot to me. So let's get right into the video. I'm gonna be making a pizza and answering some of the most common questions that I get asked by you. I also asked in the community tab to drop some questions, and I'm going to answer those as well too. So first off, let's get into making a pizza. One common question I always get is, what's my pizza dough recipe? Again, I have definitely a lot of pizza dough recipes, but the one that I'm consistently staying with is the 48-hour pizza dough recipe. It just gives off so much flavor, and overall it just tastes good. So I'm going to go ahead and link that above. Again, just check out my channel. I have those videos as well. So let's get into one of the questions I got here. What got you into pizza making? I'm going to keep it short and simple, straight to the point. I started making pizza during the pandemic just to keep myself busy while I was working from home. And I just fell in love with making pizza, learning about the whole process of making pizza. I came across some videos, which was Vito Jacopelli, which everyone knows as the pizza YouTube god, or whatever you want to call him, the master. And so I started watching his videos and I really fell in love with it. Saw some videos about some pizza ovens and instantly wanted to get into it. Bought my first pizza oven, and from there, just every day, every week, basically just making pizza, learning from it to where we're at now. Getting to the next question was, and how did I get started with the YouTube channel? I guess basically because I was already watching so much YouTube, and then I wanted to share my experiences with everyone else and teach people, what I learned, So that's basically what I got into starting a YouTube channel. As I said, let's just get into it. Let's start making videos, posting, and just being consistent with it. And that's where it got me to where I'm at now. One other common question that I always get, or concern from a lot of people, is that that's not enough cheese. Well, my response to that is that it's your pizza. You can put as much cheese as you want. When I'm making a pizza for big groups of people, and I like to be consistent, I will pre-weigh my cheese, and I do around 110 grams per 12-inch pizza. That way I can make sure that all pizzas are basically getting around the same amount of cheese, and they all look the same. When I'm making pizzas for myself, I like to do a handful of cheese, which is probably maybe around 90 to about 100, so it's a little less. But again, it is your pizza. You can make and put as much cheese as you want. That is up to you. If you want to go crazy and do a lot of cheese, go for it. But I again like to do about 110 grams of cheese per pizza, and I feel like that's the perfect amount of pizza. Now, one other comment or concern I get is about olive oil. People always have so many concerns that an olive oil based pizza is not a pizza. Everyone thinks that a pizza has to have red sauce. Well, that is not true. You could make a base with so many different toppings. You could do pesto, you could do olive oil, you could do, some sort of cream. It just doesn't matter. You could do a pizza with so many different bases. And again, an olive oil based pizza is a pizza. I call it a white pizza, and so many other people call it a white pizza as well. So again, an olive oil based pizza is a pizza, and that's all I have to say to that. I always also get asked, do I like pineapple pizza, and why I don't like pineapple on my pizza. Well, my response all the time is that there is some fruits that go on pizza, but I personally think that pineapple with red sauce just does not pair nicely. I'm not sure what it is, but to me, it just doesn't taste well, and so I will always stick to my guns and say that pineapple does not go on pizza. Other people love it and they enjoy it, but to me, I just don't think that pineapple should go on pizza. Maybe if it was cooked differently, maybe paired with some sort of different topping or some sort of different base, then I think maybe you could do it. I haven't found it. I'm not going to experiment with it anytime soon, but again, if you like pineapple on your pizza, then go for it. Again, to me, I just will never eat it. I would never have it on my menu. Once I ever have my pizza spot, it's just, again, it's just not for me. One common question I've been getting asked is, do I like cooking with wood or propane the most? I love cooking with wood recently. It's just so much more fun to do. A little bit more time consuming getting the fire set up. But as you can see, once the flame is going over the pizza, you get a nice brownness to it. There's something about the texture that it gives to the crust as well that I enjoy more than propane. Not so much flavor difference, but it just overall color and the crispiness to the crust. I just enjoy it. So I will continue doing a lot of wood. If you guys want to see me do more propane as well, just let me know. If you want any questions or tips on using wood, then I could definitely go ahead and assist you with that. A lot of people always say that the bottom of the pizza is not cooked all the way or that it's burnt. Again, there's no burntness to the pizza or the crust. There definitely does get a little bit of char to it, but it's not fully burnt all the way, and it's not being cooked to the point where it's super crispy. Again, you want to get a nice color to that crust, a nice color to the bottom. If your stone is heated properly, you're going to get a consistent cook underneath, and that's what you want for your pizza. So that's what I have to say about that. But overall, pizza is pizza. I enjoy pizza. I will continue making pizza. And if you guys want me to continue making pizza, like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my YouTube videos. Check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John. And I would love to connect with each and every one of you. So let's continue making this a strong channel.